Okay, so here we go. I'm driving on the New Jersey Parkway. Gonna take exit 148 here for Bloomfield Ave. And we're gonna go to the toll booth, which actually they recently raised the prices, and some genius came up with $1.90. So everybody that goes through these things is, well, actually this one's only 65 cents, but a lot of them are $1.90. So you have everybody like digging through change and trying to get the right change to pay the toll. It's just, why not just make it $2? I mean, give me a break. So anyway, we're coming up on the exit now. We're gonna go through the toll. This one, like I said, is 65 cents. So we'll see what happens here. Now, for months, I've been going through this toll and paying it, and the toll machine's been broken. And they must know, but for some reason, they're not fixing it. So anyway, you pay the toll, and it doesn't register, and then they send you a $50 fine in the mail for it. So let's see. Oh, maybe they switched it to full service, and now this is the exact change. So maybe they did actually fix it, these fuckers. I knew I should have taken a video yesterday. Well, anyway, let's see what happens. There's my 65 cents. And now, today, of course, it's going to work. Throw it all in. Oh, so it didn't work. There you go. So now this has been going on for months, and I've been double paying tolls, keep throwing coins in to get it to register, and nothing happens. And then a week from now, I'll get a $50 fine in the mail for not paying the toll, even though I paid it. And then when you dispute it, on the fine they send to you, they basically tell you tough shit. You're gonna pay it. Now, you could probably say, why don't you get Easy Pass? Well, in order to get Easy Pass, you have to pay all the fines that you've accumulated from their broken tolls. So you can't get Easy Pass until you pay their extortion fee for their broken tolls. So anyway, that's driving in New Jersey. This has been going on for a long time. They obviously have to know these things. These machines are not working, and they do nothing about it, but they keep sending you the fines for $50 a pop, even though they raised the prices for, I guess, their budget deficit. But they refuse to fix the machines, and I guess they're just cashing in on these $50 tolls. And, life in the USA today. Everything's broken, and nothing ever gets fixed.